Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a simple three types of bread sandwich. This is a potato sandwich mixed with a green chutney. This is veg sandwich just using three items, three vegetables. Ingredients for aloo masala. You have to take 2 to 3 mashed potatoes and coriander leaves, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon, a little bit of mustard seeds, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a lemon, and salt for the taste. Depends on how much you want to use it. Well, as this is a first time try, just that my neighbor kids put me into this position of making the sandwiches. They just made me a chef for a day, and yeah, why to dull their expectations? We are in this corona time, we need some fun, we need some good times. So I just gathered all my neighbor kids and tried this out. But trust me guys, this really turned out to be the best sandwiches. 2 to 3 items, yes, I loved it. One packet of classic bread, not a sugar or salt one, just the normal one. One sliced cucumbers, one sliced onions, one sliced tomatoes. That's the green chutney. Mix with coriander and mint leaves, half a lemon, and a garlic and ginger paste, a very small portion of raw coconut, small cube of Amul cheese, and that's a sandwich maker. 1 packet of mayonnaise sauce and tomato ketchup. Vegetables mixed with mayonnaise sauce. Now roast up bread using cheese. I prefer cheese because it smells good, tastes good. If you guys are comfortable with ghee, yes, you can go for ghee. It's optional. It's up to you which one you want to use. So now let's get started. There is 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add mustard seeds, and I'm going to add coriander leaves mixed with turmeric powder, and I'm going to add all other ingredients that I showed you guys in earlier picture, and going to stir that up until it fries really well. Now I'm going to add aloo and other ingredients and mix it up. Now add the chili powder and squeeze the lemon.